Teknicast is a global die casting company. Our business starts from the aluminum ingot, which is our raw material, is melted to 680 degrees Celsius. And a machine is used to inject the molten aluminum into a mold at high pressure and high speed that form the shape of the products that are used in the oil and gas industry, used in the automotive industry, in electrical appliances industry, and in the marine industry. Quality sells today. Well, technology you can acquire, but quality is something that you need to build over time. And at Teknicast, our best competitive edge is our quality. And we have customers like Torkheim that is making petrol dispensing pump from the UK. They have been with us for the last 10 years. People like Emerson has been with us for the past 18 years.
Clients come back because Teknicast is able to deliver a consistent product. You're talking products that have technically demanding requirements, both in terms of low porosity, dimensional accuracy, and good surface finish. Effectively, we differentiate ourselves from other die casters because not only do we do the die casting side, there's a lot of additional processes, high precision machining, predominantly making products that are measured in microns, and we actually provide products on time to our customers at what I believe to be a very competitive price.
We are doing thin nickel plating, first in Malaysia. We are very proud of that. So we are doing a lot of pressure tight casting where the new technology has been used to enhance our capability and move up the value chain.
Effectively, the business plan that we set out to achieve was a growth of about 70% in its output over the next 5 years. The original business plan had set out that we would actually buy a new factory, and what I've been able to show here is that we can actually get that level of growth out of the existing floor space. So we're making sure that we can actually improve our throughput time, we have all the workflows going in the right direction, and therefore we put less effort into achieving the same objective. The second part of that is to train some of the managers and their staff in process improvement, tools and techniques, so that they can continue the good work that we started.
The most valuable asset Actis bring into this partnership is their global network. They drive value in the business in terms of better manage the finance, in terms of the equity efficiency, the RRI, improving the corporate governance of the business, that we observe strict safety, health and environment policy. These are the value that they actually brings into the business. With the financial crisis that we are facing today, more companies in the West, they are under more pressure to move their supply base to low-cost country, which is over in Southeast Asia, especially right now. Teknicast is well positioned to capture the growth in this region. We give you the quality, we give you the technical support in terms of product development, we give you the logistic support. Secondly, we are actually well prepared to take on the challenge because we have a very strong team of management. So that makes us different from the rest.